Hello everyone, welcome to MK Learning. Today I am going to share with you most important questions of chemistry for class 10th. But before I start video, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's discuss the most important questions of chapter 9, which is chemical equilibrium. Let's get started. Question first is, describe equilibrium constant and its units. Second long question is, write down the microscopic characteristics of dynamic equilibrium. Third long question is, state the law of mass action and derive the expression for equilibrium constant for general reaction. Question 4 is, describe the characteristics of reversible and irreversible reaction. Give example. Last question is, write down the microscopic characteristics for forward and reverse reaction. Now chapter 9 is end. Now move to the chapter number 10. So here is the chapter 10, which is acid, bases and salts. We are going to discuss important question of this chapter. First long question is, what are conjugate acids and bases? Explain with example. Explain the Lewis concept of acids and bases. Third long question is, describe the reaction of acids with metals. Fourth question is, what are indicators? Explain. Last long question is, write notes on basic salts and double salts. But before I start next chapter, I request you all to subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel, and must tell it to your friends that this channel is available for guest papers and most important questions for 10th class. Chapter number 11 is organic chemistry. Now discuss its important questions. First long question is, how is coal formed? What are the different types of coal? Second question is, what is destructive distillation of coal? Third question is, what are the alkyl radicals? Write down the radicals of propane and butane. Question number 4 is, write down the characteristics of homologous series. Now the next chapter is 12, hydrocarbons. First important question is, write down the 5 physical properties of alkanes. Second long question is, alkanes are source of heat. Explain. Now chapter number 13 is biochemistry. First long question is, explain oligosaccharides. Second long question is, explain the sources and uses of lipids. Third long question is, write down the sources and uses of carbohydrates. Question number 4 is, what are polysaccharides? Give their properties. Question number 5 is, what is meant by vitamins? Explain its types in detail. Now this is chapter 14, environmental chemistry. First long question is, give the characteristics of troposphere. Why temperature decreases upward in this sphere? Second is, why CO considered a health hazard? Third question is, where does ozone layer lie in the atmosphere? How is it depleting and how can we prevent depletion? Now the next chapter is 15, which is water. Question number 1 is, give some disadvantages of hard water. Second is, describe the reasons of water hardness. Third is, explain domestic effluents. Now the next chapter is 16, which is chemical industries. First important question is, how crude oil is refined. Explain two important fractions of petroleum along with their usage. Second is, describe the methods of ore concentration. Third question is, Give the uses of diesel oil and fuel oil. 4 is describe different steps of urea preparation. Don't forget to subscribe MK Learning if you want to get good marks in your exams. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day.